This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned, at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. Did you know that with the right strategy, an ice vending machine business can generate over $100,000 in annual profit? That's right. This low-maintenance, high-profit business model is booming, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. Welcome to the channel. If you're looking for a business that requires minimal effort but delivers consistent passive income, then this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down how you can start a profitable ice vending machine business in 2025. I'll cover everything, from startup costs, the best locations, forming an LLC, marketing strategies, and real-life success stories. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to launching your own ice vending business. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to BZ, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. BZ is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of BZ is available in the description box below, and their website is linked in the first comment. Even though ice vending machines run automatically, you still need marketing to attract customers and maximize sales. Here are 3 simple ways to market your vending machine. First, a Google My Business listing. Get your machine on Google Maps so people can find it. Second, social media ads. Target local communities with Facebook and Instagram ads. And third, local partnerships. Partner with gas stations or convenience stores to boost sales. Why is an LLC crucial for your ice vending business? A limited liability company, or LLC, offers 3 major advantages. It protects your personal assets. If something goes wrong, your personal finances are safe. Tax benefits. You may qualify for deductions and lower tax rates. Builds credibility. Customers and landlords trust businesses with LLCs. Let's walk you through how to form an LLC in 3 simple steps. First, choose a unique business name. Check your state's registry. Second, file articles of organization. Submit documents to your state government. And third, get an EIN or employer identification number required for taxes and opening a business bank account. BZ is one of the best LLC formation services on the market today. Be sure to check out the full review of BZ in the description box and pinned comment below. Want to know a real-life example? How John built a $20,000 a month ice vending empire. John, an entrepreneur from Austin, Texas, was looking for a low-maintenance business that could generate passive income while he focused on other investments. In 2021, after researching various vending opportunities, he decided to take a chance on ice vending. Within 2 years, John expanded to 10 machines spread across high-traffic locations, generating an impressive $20,000 per month in passive income. John's key takeaways for success. Location is everything. He spent weeks scouting the best spots before investing. LLC formation helped him grow. Without an LLC, securing loans and partnerships would have been tough. Reinvesting was the game changer. Instead of pocketing profits early, he scaled quickly by reinvesting into more machines. His initial $30,000 investment turned into a 6-figure empire, proving that anyone with the right strategy can succeed in this industry. Why this business works. Here's the big takeaway. The ice vending machine business is one of the best passive income opportunities in 2025. But why? Let's break it down. 24/7 automated income, no employees needed. Unlike traditional businesses that require staff to operate, ice vending machines run on autopilot. Once installed, they make sales 24/7 without you being there, automatically produce and dispense ice. No need for deliveries, and self-clean and self-maintain with minimal servicing. Low overhead costs, high profit margins. One of the biggest reasons ice vending is so profitable is its low operating expenses compared to revenue. Let's cost the breakdown. The machine purchase cost is $20,000 to $50,000, which is a one-time investment. Then, utilities like water and electricity will cost $100 to $300 per month. Routine maintenance will cost you $50 to $150 per month. Now, what will the average revenue be? Selling 100 bags of ice per day at $2 to $3 per bag will be $6,000 to $9,000 per month. Profit margins are 70 to 80% after covering water, electricity, and maintenance. Simple and scalable business models. Unlike businesses that require hiring more employees or expanding operations manually, ice vending is easily scalable because machines can be placed in multiple locations without extra work. There's no need to manage inventory or suppliers. Ice is made on demand. You can reinvest profits to buy more machines, increasing passive income. Here's a pro tip for you. Start with one machine, making $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Reinvest profits into 3 more machines. Within 2 years, own 10 machines, earning $20,000 to $50,000 per month. If you're serious about launching your own business, registering an LLC is non-negotiable. Beezy is one of the best LLC formation services on the market today. I've done a full review of Beezy down in the description box and in the pinned comment below. Now let's recap. Startup costs. Machines cost $20,000 to $50,000, but profits can exceed $100,000 per year. Best locations: gas stations, marinas, campgrounds, and construction sites. Marketing tips: use Google Maps, social media, and local partnerships. LLC benefits: protects assets, tax savings, and adds credibility. Success story: real entrepreneurs are making $10,000 to $20,000 per month with ice vending. Here's the big takeaway. The ice vending machine business is one of the best passive income opportunities in 2025. With low overhead costs, high profit margins, and 24/7 operation, this business is a gold mine when set up correctly. If you follow this blueprint, choose the right location, market effectively, and form an LLC, you can build a thriving, hands-off business that generates a steady income. If you're serious about launching your own business, registering an LLC is non-negotiable. Beezy is one of the best LLC formation services on the market today. I've done a full review of Beezy down in the description box and in the pinned comment below. Now let's recap startup costs. Machines cost $20,000 to $50,000, but profits can exceed $100,000 per year. LLC benefits: protects assets, tax savings, and adds credibility. Success story: real entrepreneurs are making $10,000 to $20,000 per month with ice vending. Now it's your turn. If you're excited about this business opportunity, comment below. Would you start an ice vending business? Why or why not? Want more profitable business ideas? Subscribe for more weekly videos on passive income and entrepreneurship. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out.